Welcome to this course in which I'm going to show you how I generated four figures promoting an affiliate product to a tiny list. Okay, so the important key here is that the affiliate offer that I was promoting has some high ticket sales. For example, you could generate $400 commissions from this product that I've been promoting. And this product that I promoted is what you're looking at right here is ClickFunnels.com. Okay, and they offer a variety of commissions. They offer recurring monthly commissions ranging from, I believe, $15 to $90 or $100 per month, and you could also generate $400 commissions and probably even higher. Okay, and so basically, if you want to start promoting this product, you could just go to ClickFunnels.com. I believe you can get a free account here. It could be a 14-day trial. I'm not sure. I can't remember, but if you can't find the link here, I have provided a text document that has a link to their affiliate sign up page. All right, and so what we're going to do now in the next video, I'm just going to show you the steps that I took to promote this product to my tiny list. All right, welcome back. So from here on, I'm going to show you the steps that I took to promote the affiliate product. And one of the first things I did was come up with some bonuses to offer to people when they sign up through my link. And it goes without saying that the bonuses you offer should be relevant to the main offer and also high quality. Okay, so once I came up with the bonuses, I created a bonus page. Well, what I call this page is a pre-sale page, because I wasn't only promoting the bonuses, but I was also promoting the main offer. And this page, I created this and I promoted it to my list a few days before the launch of the product. Okay, so to get them excited and to get them drooling and to have them anticipate the opening of this product. So as you see here, I put up a headline, and I also just took the video that was on the ClickFunnels sales page. They have several sales pages, so this was one of the videos on one of their sales pages. Okay, and then I just put a quick intro here, as you can see, and I listed my bonuses, and here's the link, and I also put some benefits of the product down here, and they're simple as that. Alright, so in the next two videos, I'm going to show you a couple of methods that I use to promote ClickFunnels. And so this is great for those of you who do not have a list yet, because what I did was I went outside of my list and promoted this. And so the first method I'm going to talk about is banner ads. And so what I did was I purchased a banner ad space on the warriorforum.com. Okay, so I tested quite a few banner ads, and just to let you know, the cost of setting up a banner ad is $100 per day. All right, so if you have a high ticket affiliate product that you're promoting, then it is worth it to try out some banner ads and to put out that kind of money for banner ads. All right, so just to give you an example, well, first of all, the types of banner ads I did, one or two of them I believe I used to promote the bonuses that I was offering. Some of them were just to promote directly the product or a video that they had at that moment. So what I did was I would put up a banner ad here and I would link it. Actually, I wouldn't link it to the main offer. I would link it to a blog post. So for example, I'm going to show you a banner ad that I did have. It's no longer here, but a banner ad that I did have up here is this one right here. It says click here to see the anatomy of a $500,000 per month funnel. Okay, because when you're promoting ClickFunnels, they actually have several pages that you can promote. There's a main sales page, and there's also some training videos. So this is what I was promoting here for this particular banner ad, is the training page, or the page where they had a video showing an anatomy of a $500,000 per month funnel. But instead of linking it directly to that page, I actually linked it to my blog post in which I talked about that training. And so let me just show you that blog post here. Here you go. Here's my blog post in which I talk about that training. And then on that blog post is a link to that training. Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you the other method that I used to promote the affiliate offer outside of my list. So if you do not have a list, take note here. What I did was I promoted the bonus offer that I had, and I promoted that. I used that bonus offer and I put up a wire special offer to promote that. And for those of you who don't know, the wireforum.com is an internet marketing forum, and wire special offers are special offers that are placed by members of that offer. And the great thing about wire special offers is that they are viewed by people that are hungry for information and actively looking for information. So the quality of these leads is pretty high. Alright, so what I did was I put in a special offer. The cost at the time was, I believe, $20. They are constantly changing the price, so make sure you check the price before you post up an offer. And they are also constantly changing the rules. So, for example, certain types of offers are no longer allowed in the wire special offers section, and so sometimes you might have to place it in another section, such as the Warrior Forum classified ads section. But here's a look at the wire special offer that I placed. Just advertised the bonus offer that I had, and I just copied and pasted my bonus page onto here. As you can see, it's got the video, the same headline, and so on.